Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 330 Outrages. 330 is one of my most favorite boats. This one does give the pretty cool little dive door on the side. So if you're catching some large fish, or even if you're just swimming or whatever, makes it very easy to get on and off the boat. Oversized trim tabs, deep V hull, and of course the legendary unsinkable Unibond technology. We've equipped this one with the big 350 Verados joystick piloting, which incorporated that is going to be your sky hook as well as your autopilot. We do have the underwater lights here. So we'll kind of just go through the boat. Nice wide beam, very comfortable, and this one gives you a lot more seating and storage than some of the other brands that are out there. Huge recirculating bait well here. Here's another picture of our side door that opens. Comfortable seating in the back. This also rolls up, and then you have aft-facing seating right here as well. At the helm, plenty of room if you want to do 14 or 16-inch screens. This is going to be our joystick, which incorporated that, your autopilot and skyhook. Digital throttle shift. There's room up there as well if you want to put a VHF up there. This one also has kind of a little step piece of fiberglass that rolls up if you're not going to use it. So if you have a little problem seeing over the dash, really works out good. Very comfortable captain's chairs. Fully enclosed head, lots and lots of storage in there. This one has dockside discharge and overboard discharge. Towards the front, as you can see it open here, call this the garage. Lots and lots of room, dedicated rod storage, and when it's in a down position, you have a great lounger up here. Full glass all the way around for your T-top, lots of protection. Of course, you have your hard top here. This is going to be powder coated, so it's very, very little maintenance. And as we go up front, we've got our windlass. Once again, very comfortable seating here. JL audio sound system, so if you like good music, this one sounds excellent. So to recap, brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, offered by MarineMax in Venice. And again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, but feel free to give us a call if you'd like to set up a time to take a look at her. Phone number here at MarineMax Venice, 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.